Alright, Sean, so what are we doing today?
We're gonna go get a set of exhaust pipes for a fucking bagger. Woody fuck Maynards and Maynarettes. Are you ready for a trip? Is Outlaw ready? Outlaw ready? I'm always ready.
Alright, off to Fort Lupton.
I want to give a big shout out to my brother Slut. You know who you are. Slay boy. Love you, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciated this. So, you guys know yesterday we went down to Colorado and to get a exhaust system for the bagger. And yeah, it's a brand new exhaust system. A brand new takeoff. It's not a Vance & Hines, but that kind of brought up a thought I was thinking is, why do people spend so much money on all this high price exhaust systems? Don't get me wrong, they're nice systems. I like Vance & Hines big time. But Harley Davidson spends all this money on R&D for what's gonna best run for their motors. Every company does this. So it's like, I can't really understand why you'd go out and spend a bunch of money on R&D, because here's the deal. I bought a Thunder Mountain Cycles exhaust system. For my bagger. High dollar exhaust system. And if you'll notice and see, it rusted away. You know, granted it's a few years old, but still, Harley's doesn't rust away. I've never seen one do that. And that's not the first aftermarket company I see. And I'm not like loving on Harley, because they're not the greatest either, don't get me wrong. Because if they did that, they would have been way more better on their new production lines and bringing out the old style bikes and made them look exactly like the old style bikes. Anyway, so let's do this unboxing and see what my brother gave me. Hopefully it's all here and all brand new. So, here we go, man. Let's see what we got for brand new exhaust. Like I said, it's not brand new. I believe it was...
Here, you shrink down with it. Get some more of you in view.
Is that better? I'm gonna have to raise that up a little bit.
There we go.
So anyway, this is a brand new takeoff. The way I understand it, the guy bought the bike brand new, maybe rode it home, and then ordered a set of pipes and had them put on there. So, should be brand new. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Dust covers. Heat shields. Brand new mufflers.
We have to tip it up further. We got a box and a box.
Got a box and a box. And that stretches up. Brackets and brackets. More heat shields. Alright, here's the heat shield with a crossover tube. clamps. Clamps. More heat shields. Right. Another muffler. Yeah, if you don't like the sound of Harleys, just buy you a new muffler. That's how you'll change the sound. And go with an aftermarket muffler. Just
I mean, really, all the rest of the piping's the same, isn't it?
pretty much, yeah.
Maybe different materials in it.
I don't believe so. Nice 2-in-1 header pipe with the crossover. Sweet, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you. We'll get this on here ASAP and see how it sounds. Another box in a box. This piece goes here.
Yep,
This
just
piece
like
goes
that.
here.
Boxes out of here. Got one there. And we got one over here. So it looks a little something like that.
Looks just a little something like that. Now, I do have one small problem. My bike is a 2001. Everything. So, here's what I'm telling you. I've already welded this Thunder Mountain together once, and then it fucking blew apart again. Fucking just broke right off of here. So, that's the reason why I say, you know, I've never seen a Harley exhaust pipe break. And this isn't the first one I've seen. I actually got 2 or 3 more over there I could show you. So, will you guys leave a comment if you've ever seen a Harley exhaust system weld and break like this?
Arms around me and you squeeze me oh so tight. Every time I beg for mercy, well it brings you such delight. It's a feeling I'm getting fond of and I want it every night. You got a hold of me, babe, and I kinda like it. I remember the first time I met you, you showed me your snake tattoo. Now we're stuck together like glue, and I love you though I'm black and blue. These feelings I can't subdue, you make me jumpy like a kangaroo. I know that you should be taboo, but these feelings I can't undo. When you put your arms around me and you squeeze me oh so tight. Every time I beg for mercy, it brings you such delight. It's a feeling I'm getting fond of and I want it every night. You got a hold of me, babe, and I kinda like it. getting fond of, and I want it every night. You got a hold on me, babe, and I kinda like it. One, two, three.
So you guys want to know what we did is we went and got a 2017 exhaust system, like I said. Totally stock. Very proud of it. Thank you, Brother Slut. Give you a big old shout out, bro, cause shit. But I want you to see what we did. We ended up plugging up the O2 sensors, and then we fucking welded the fucking crossover pipe shut. So now we have made our very own Harley Davidson 2-into-1 race pipe. Okay, so now we're gonna fucking put it on, install it, see how it goes from here. Only thing we got left to do is pull out these exhaust gaskets. We need to hold this flashlight.
That's how your exhaust gasket should not look when you pull it out.
After E85. Alright, now the front one. Let's just hope it comes out as easy as that one. See?
That is more or less how your exhaust gasket should come out.
And this is what the gaskets look like brand new.
These are the old ones.
those Rocky Mountains seem to have it all. If you see me high on that continental divide, hope you find it was worth the uphill climb. Hope you find that sudden peace of mind come for the day, and I think you're gonna stay. Well, I gotta catch an airplane back to LA. Can I catch me a ride to DIA? Well, I sure hate to leave here. Please don't cry, dear. Just pass me and I'll go through her beer. If you see me high on that continental divide, hope you find it was worth the uphill climb. Hope you find that sudden peace of mind come for the day, and I think you're gonna stay. Well, I gotta get a mile high, if you gotta ask why. I just don't think you'd understand. It's my kind of city, at night it's so pretty, and those bright lights just seem to draw you in, and those bright lights just seem to draw you in. Way before the sunrise, meet up at break of dawn. Head out at daybreak for a place where we belong. Then we head out to the highway, feel the fire across the road. God, just do it my way. And it's your soul. And the outlaw run. Outlaw run. Yes, we run. Yes, we run. Down that highway side by side. And we live free, don't die. Yes, we die. Yes, we die. With the outlaw ride. Outlaw
Super team.
Don't tell us about our music, what we